this tutorial for you. It's a very special one because I love it. I love how this came out, and I wish I was going somewhere, but I don't. I stay at home. Definitely not going out anytime soon, so yeah, at least I filmed a tutorial for this look. Now, for this specific look, I would like to do actually a voiceover on top because I worked with some textures and some products that require some extra steps in order for them to look perfect and to look like this. So yeah, I will actually just mention each step, what I did, and also how to work with some of these products that I use today, and all the techniques and all of that. So I hope you will enjoy this makeup tutorial thingy, and yeah, enjoy. So I'm starting with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I love to use this as a base on my eyes because it's very long lasting and non-drying on my eyelids. I also love to use this as a concealer as well, but as an eye makeup base it works great. Now I also wanted to include this Incredible Cosmetics cream shadow in this indigo blue color for my bottom line, and actually this entire makeup look was started from this specific product. It inspired me to actually, you know, create this look, this entire makeup idea. It's not an easy texture to work with because it sets fast, and if you try to blend the area where it is already dry, you end up removing the product and becomes quite patchy, like the entire look. So I try to work really fast with one application brush and also one clean blending brush. It's really important to do this in order to, you know, have that pigment where needed, but also smudged and nicely blended on the edges. Now with less product, I try to also create a smudged, blurred V shape, so I maintain most of the blue on my bottom eyelid and also kind of in the outer corner V area. Now because I wanted a bit more dimension on my bottom eyelid, I decided to include this gorgeous Nars pigment. This is like a cream pigment, so it gives that foiled metallic finish and is the same shade as the cream shadow, so those two just go together so nicely. And I'm using the Glam crystal from collection. This is the gold one. Just gives that wash of gold that I wanted for this look, and all the shimmery glittery particles just peek through, so I love the overall effect of this product. And to marry the bottom eyelid with my waterline, I'm adding this NYX eyeliner in this blue shade. Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Protecting Primer. This is one of my favorites from Laura Mercier primer line. It just protects the skin but also makes it super smooth, super soft, and just prepares it for the foundation application. I love the overall effect of this primer, and it's silicone free, so that's a bonus. Some Milk Makeup Kush Mascara on my upper eyelashes, and then I'm using the JungSaemMool Essential Skin Nude Foundation. This gives me a light medium coverage. It looks super fresh and natural on the skin, so yeah, right now I'm using this a lot, so you'll probably see it a lot in some other videos. And then I decided to add just again some concealer in some areas where I need it. I have some spots, and also underneath this gorgeous blue situation on my bottom eyelid, just to brighten a bit more the area because I haven't used the concealer before, you know, before applying the blue, and I just wanted a bit of kind of brightness and a bit more correction in that area. To set everything, I'm using again a favorite of mine, my Givenchy loose setting powder. This is with some correcting shades, so you have the lavender, the blue, the green. I think these all work together nicely. I mean, of course, if you have more red skin, this will probably be again a better loose powder, but I love the powder itself, so yeah. I decided also to use this EtudeHouse contour duo stick. I love it. Has more like a cream to powder texture, very silicone as well, but I love how it looks on the skin. Givenchy 10 Couture highlighting drops. I talked about these in some of my favorites video already. It's a fantastic product, and honestly I don't want to use anything else right now. Just gives me that wet glowy skin. A coloring ampule from 22 Chosungah. This is actually a cream shadow. It's a cream to powder eyeshadow, but I also like to use this on the lips because it's non-drying, it's kind of matte looking, and it gives me this gorgeous nude color. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoy this and stay safe. Bye.